Today, we are making crispy bacon egg cups. A simple, high-protein breakfast recipe made with just 2 ingredients. Perfect for meal prep, healthy breakfasts, and quick snacks throughout the week. Wrap 1 strip of bacon inside each muffin cup to create a small bacon basket. Use extra pieces of bacon to cover the bottom of each cup so the egg stays perfectly inside the egg. Bake the bacon for about 7 minutes until it begins to firm up, but is not fully crispy. Carefully crack 1 large egg into each bacon basket. Place the tray back into the oven and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how runny you like your eggs. Season with black pepper and enjoy your delicious homemade bacon egg cups. These bacon egg cups are easy to make, packed with protein, and perfect for meal prep breakfasts all week long.